Have you ever wondered why manifestation techniques like affirmations or vision boards don't seem to work for you, no matter how consistently you try them? It's not because you're doing them wrong, and it's not about thinking harder or forcing positivity. Researchers are now suggesting it may come down to how your brain is internally connected, and whether certain pathways are even active in the first place. When those pathways work together more efficiently, many people report feeling clearer, more mentally present, and less scattered throughout the day. Not a personality change, just a sense that your thoughts flow more smoothly and your focus feels easier to access. If you've spent years journaling, visualizing, or repeating affirmations, yet still feel stuck or mentally foggy, this can be frustrating. You followed the advice, stayed consistent, and still wondered why it didn't click. Interestingly, when neuroscientists studied preserved sections of Albert Einstein's brain, they noticed an unusually strong connection between the left and right hemispheres. What stood out was that this connection didn't exist at birth. It appeared to develop later, likely through repeated mental engagement that strengthened communication between both sides of the brain. This insight inspired a simple daily technique designed to support internal alignment rather than surface-level motivation. Instead of forcing thoughts, it focuses on gently encouraging cooperation between brain regions, something traditional methods often overlook. There's a free educational video that explains how this approach works and the science behind it. Many older methods focus on willpower alone, but this looks deeper, at the internal systems that influence clarity and focus. Early feedback suggests many people feel calmer, more centered, and mentally organized after exploring this approach. If you're curious, you can click below to watch the presentation while it's still available and decide for yourself whether it's worth exploring.